We are learning to solve addition and subtraction problems to 10 by imaging. Go to the next slide to start this Explain Everything. When you solve a problem by imaging, it means that you can just think of the numbers in your head and solve the problem, and you don't need to use equipment to help you. Here's an example. Megan has 3 cats. She gets 2 more cats. How many cats does she have altogether? I want you to imagine the pictures of the cats. Do you know how many cats Megan had altogether? See if you can picture them in your head and work out the answer. Altogether, Megan has 5 cats. This time, Megan has 5 cats. If 3 of the cats go missing, how many cats does Megan have left? I want you to imagine this equation. Megan had 5 cats, 3 cats went away. How many cats are left? Can you picture that in your head? There are 2 cats left. Were you able to imagine that equation in your head? Now Megan has 1 cat. Her mum and dad buy her 3 more cats. How many cats does Megan have altogether? Can you imagine the pictures? And altogether, Megan has 4 cats. When you imagine it in your head and work out the answer in your head, that's called imaging.